Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. It's a stunning 1971 Chevrolet Camaro RS LS swap, ceramic coated header, ice cold air, 4-wheel disc brakes, ice cold AC. Just a super nice ride. Again, it's got the FiTech fuel injection system on it. Big serpentine belt, big cool radiator, shroud and fan, keep this bad boy cool. Just a super nice ride. Little scratch right there. We got some touch-up paint for it. Showing 12, right about 1,300 miles on the build. 4-speed automatic. Does have a cage in the back. Ford 9-inch mini tub. Just a super cool car. We'll have detailed pictures underneath. The underneath is as good as the top. Just an amazing car. Weld wheels, strange axles, Mickey Thompson cheater slicks. But yeah, there are a couple chips. We will get those touched up. One right there. Little one right there. The dash. Top of the car. Bumpers are nice, appear to be original bumpers. A little tiny patina, being picky, but they show extremely well. They're not brand new out of the box, but they show extremely well. They're a little, I think that's just a little compound there. Again, you can go to www.westportautocenter.com and find 75 to 100 pictures. There are a few little, that's the carpet, but there are a couple tiny little chips. We'll trim that back. A couple tiny chips there. Interior's in good shape. At the retro seat belt. Ice cold air, Dakota Digital dash, 4-speed automatic, Street Fighter shifter. Just a cool car. Little patina here on the back trim piece, appears to be original, still shows well. But it's not brand new in the box. Door panels are nice. Very hot, bright day here in St. Louis, Missouri, Fenton, Missouri. Tilt wheel. Just a nice car. Nice car. We'll take it for a spin. FiTech control. We can control all that. There's our gauges. Then it's 94, 95 degrees, just sitting here in the hot sun of the parking lot with the air on, hanging right at 200. Oil pressure. 50 pounds after it's warmed up. There's our fuel fly in and check out the vehicle, I'm more than happy to pick you up at Lambert, St. Louis International. Just forward us your flight itinerary. Want to talk to somebody in person, I'd be more than happy to